Alright everyone, so I am going to talk about headphone jacks and why everyone crying about them is absolutely stupid. I hate it. Everyone's like, oh my gosh, the 3.5mm headphone jack is gone.
You're basically insulting half of the iPhone buyers.
And I don't care. Because guess what? It's not the end of the world. Alright?
I did it!
Here's the thing. Lightning connector headphones and USB Type-C headphones are going to be coming out soon. Plus there's always Bluetooth. And everyone loves to talk about how they want they want cutting edge new features in their smartphones, and they want all the newest specs and all that crap, right? But the 3.5mm headphone jack has been around for a long time, decades, okay? Decades. Hasn't it been time that the headphone jack should change a little bit with the rest of the phone? We're having all new features in almost every area. Please turn that off. And the headphone jacks aren't changing. So it's honestly stupid. So all y'all crying about headphone jacks, shut up. Fight me.